Are you curious about the nutritional value of your favorite recipes? Our Recipe Analyzer is your tool to get complete nutrition information for personal or online recipes. To start, simply choose the recipe you'd like to analyze, either one of your own recipes or a recipe you found online. Let's say you want to know more about your favorite afternoon snack, a date shake. Simply click on the Analyze My Recipe button and enter the recipe name, source of recipe, prep time, cooking time, and total time required. You'll also need to let us know how many servings the recipe will make and how many servings you plan to eat. Remember, the analysis will be based on the number of servings you plan to eat. Now begin adding the list of ingredients. Enter each ingredient in the search box and select from the drop-down menu. Then select the amount and type of the ingredient. If the ingredient you are adding requires a description like frozen, chopping, or mincing, add the instructions here. Then save and continue adding all of the recipe's ingredients. Next, add the instructions for the recipe. Now you are ready to click Analyze Recipe. Your recipe will be saved to your My Recipe library, and you will be asked to agree to use one of your credits. Recipes Analyze report will provide you with nutrient information including calories, carbs, proteins, fats, as well as vitamins and minerals present in the recipe, empowering you to make informed choices about your eating goals. If you want to analyze a recipe that you found online, select Analyze Online Recipe. Then copy and paste the recipe's URL into the search box. The how-to animation provides an illustration of the steps. Please note, the functionality of this feature will be coming soon. The recipe's information will be populated for you automatically. To begin, modify the recipe servings and the amount you plan to eat, if needed. You can then edit ingredients, delete them, or add additional ingredients. When you have completed all of your edits, click Analyze Recipe to view the Recipe Analyze report. Use the back button to return to the home page to analyze another recipe. In addition, from the home page, you can access your recipe library. Your recipe library has 2 free whole-body reset recipes already included for you. Along with accessing all your analyzed recipes, you can view your available credits. AARP members receive 10 credits every month for free, while AARP non-member online account holders receive 5 credits. If you'd like to upgrade to the Meal Plan Creator subscription, you'll receive 25 recipe credits a month, along with over 1,000 analyzed recipes. If you upgrade to the AARP Personalized Nutrition Meal Plan Creator, your saved recipes will be available to include in your personalized weekly meal plans. Let our Recipe Analyzer tool do the work for you and enjoy your delicious and nutritious meals with complete peace of mind.